If your knees hurt after squats, your lower back is dying, or you're not seeing any results, you're doing squats wrong. And almost everyone in this gym is making the same 5 mistakes. Let me fix you real quick. Mistake number 1, your heels are lifting. This is the number 1 sign your ankles are too tight. When your heels come up, all the pressure shifts to your knees and lower back. That's why you're in pain. The fix? Elevate your heels slightly on plates, or do ankle stretches for 60 seconds before you squat. Like this. Mistake 2, your knees are collapsing inward. This destroys your knee joints over time. I don't care how strong you feel. You are building an injury. The fix is simple. Push your knees out in the direction of your pinky toe. Actively force them apart on every single rep. Put a resistance band just above your knees if you struggle with this. It trains your brain to push out automatically. Mistake 3, you're doing quarter squats and calling it a day. If your thighs aren't at least parallel to the floor, you are literally just bending your knees. You're not training anything. Go deeper. Control the descent. 3 seconds down, pause, drive up. That's where the muscle actually grows. Mistake 4, you're staring at the floor. When your eyes go down, your chest follows, your spine rounds, and now your lower back hates you. Pick a spot on the wall at eye level and never look away from it. Last one, you're squatting with a soft core. Before every single rep, take a big breath in, brace your stomach like someone is about to punch you, and then squat. This protects your spine and instantly makes you stronger. Fix these 5 things this week, and I promise, your squats will feel completely different. No more knee pain, no more back soreness, just actual progress. Save this video so you don't forget, and drop a comment. Which mistake were you making? I already know it's number 2.